Hi, I'm Evan Murphy from the Queensland University of Technology, and I did an experiment here at the old Government House in Brisbane to find the GPS location by using the position of the sun. The shadow of the building casts a nice clean edge on the pavement here. During the day, the sun will move across the sky, making this shadow progress across this pavement. I put dots on the pavement every 4 minutes, spaced out. And during the progression of the sun, you'll find that those spots get closer and closer together as you get closer and closer to solar noon. Then, after solar noon, the dots start to separate and get further and further apart. The building casts a shadow on the pavement, where we put our dots. Because the sun is so far away from us, approximately 150 million kilometres from the Earth, all the sun's rays can be considered parallel. Hence we can draw a triangle like this and work out the angle up here that the sun forms between our dots and the building. We also have to measure the distance we are from the building and the height of the building, but we do that using the Photoshop image material. As solar noon approaches, we put down our dots on the pavement exactly 4 minutes apart. As solar noon approaches, we'll find that these dots get closer and closer together, and after solar noon, the dots get further and further apart. This point in here, where they're the closest together, is our point for solar noon. The Earth moves around the Sun in a slightly elliptical orbit. Sometimes it's closer to the Sun, and then sometimes it's further away. The Earth also rotates on an angle of 23.4 degrees, so that the North Pole points towards the Sun during summer solstice, and the South Pole points towards the Sun during the winter solstice. As the Earth rotates around here, we also have 2 equinoxes, and the equinox is the point when the Sun is right on the equator. During an equinox, every part of the Earth is lit up during the day, including the North and South Poles. From the Earth's point of view, the Sun moves directly across the equator.